home is a great way to find your true self. It's only when no one can see you that your true nature can come out. A traveler gets bored at home. Life without new experiences is torture, but imagination comes to the rescue. A tent, a sleeping bag, and a thermos of warm tea. Anyone can pull that off at home. You can even have breakfast in Paris if you want. Write down the recipe. Fresh pastries, coffee, and a cute boy. Done! Pretend you were on a date in France. The Eiffel Tower outside the window? No problem! Ooh la la! Bonjour, mademoiselle! And for people who love being by the beach, try this. Dress code, a fancy swimsuit, and sunglasses. Sit closer to the window. A piece of foil to reflect the sunlight. Hooray! I'm so happy. It's warm like at the sea. It's even a little hot. Just don't forget the sunscreen. Let's go back in the shade. And people who don't like heat can go to the snowy peaks. It doesn't matter that it's just the top shelf of the fridge. But there's ice cream. The best prize for a brave climber. For some people, sitting at home alone is a real tragedy. I'm so sad and miserable. My sweet office routine. I never thought I'd miss work so much. The only entertainment is talking to a friend on the phone. Even food doesn't make you happy. The world is so beautiful, and I'm like Rapunzel, imprisoned in her tower. It's so romantic, but so sad. What about a movie? Oh no! Is this Hachiko? No sad movies for such sensitive people. Her tears are unstoppable. I think she needs a hobby to distract herself. And some people enjoy sitting at home. She's almost too relaxed. She doesn't care about her looks or cleaning her room. She eats junk food. There's dirt all around her, but she is too lazy to clean up. 24-hour couch potato mode. Tomorrow, I'll wake up early, and I'm going to clean everything. Do you even believe that? Knowledge is admirable. Online courses, educational podcasts, brain training. Say no to losing brain cells. It's obvious what her priorities are. Learning nuclear physics and 10 languages, and coming up with a cure for all diseases. You can even go shopping from home. All you need is Wi-Fi and a credit card. Online shopping is really fun. After 10 orders, you know your card number by heart. And when your stuff gets delivered, it just makes you want to order more. Order more, and more, and more. You sure you want all this? Yeah, and will your card survive this financial strain? But for creative people, everything is fine. Even long periods of isolation. Actually, they are even happy about it. They can finally act on their most creative ideas. For example, trying out watercolor, markers, paint, paper. Yeah, it's not really working out. Expectation versus reality strikes again. But no problem. You can always find another hobby. Sculpting? Why not? Learning a new art form is easy. What is this? A parrot? Don't give up. Just make a bracelet out of ribbons with this DIY tutorial. Oh, it looked so easy in the video. So how can I untangle this now? She's a creator in her heart, but her hands are kind of clumsy. Being alone is no reason to be sad. Friends aren't coming for your birthday? Just throw an online party. All your friends are here. This is a great idea for people who can't come see each other yet. It'll be like a real party. Congratulations! Toast, warm words, and smiles. And all from the comfort and safety of your home. You can send your friend a virtual gift, and not just a virtual one. Delivery will help. And for some people, staying home alone is something to celebrate. A couch and popcorn. What could be better? They're introverts. Being alone with yourself, enjoying the silence. Ugh! Who's there? Oh no, it's my friends! I'll have to talk to them. Do I have to open it? Peace and quiet. And if you want hugs, you can hug yourself. The truth is, you can be your own best friend. Finally, you have time for your favorite book or playing the ukulele. Do whatever you want. Nirvana! Anna! And this is a businesswoman working remotely. Reports, estimates, debits, credits. She doesn't even have time to sleep. A video call could happen at any time. The boss doesn't want you to nap, and you are sitting there all relaxed in your pajama pants. If you are working from home, you have to be on the lookout all the time. One embarrassing situation, and your professional image will be destroyed. For example, a fashion parade in the background wouldn't exactly impress your boss. Oh, what was that? If you want to work remotely, warn your boyfriend about the home office dress code. The bottom can be anything, but the top is strictly professional. And this girl's got plenty of free time. Why not go through your closet while you are stuck at home? Careful, it can take a while. The old stuff seems so cute. So why is it all just gathering dust? No way, I need to try it on now. A fashionista is still a fashionista, even in lockdown. She won't stop until she tries on dozens of outfits. Oh, this is a great look for a selfie. She couldn't get rid of the old clothes, but she got some new content for her Instagram. And this couple better not be left in an enclosed space for long. Spending a lot of time together is a direct path to constant fights. They are boiling inside. Calm down. Stay calm. But they can't contain their emotions. Be careful. Words hurt. Well, there you go. They are in a fight. Honey, chill. Oh yeah? Well, take this. Get your stuff and get out of my apartment. It's over. Oh no, what have I done? This is not a relationship. It's a time bomb. But they make up as easily as they start a fight. I wonder how long this truce is going to last. Laziness leads to innovation. That's always true. And now it's even truer. And the best little helper is a drone. So don't get up from your comfortable couch for a new batch of popcorn. Someone's trying a pack of snacks at the other end of the house, and you can just catch popcorn from right there. The drone will even get a Coke from the fridge. And for small shipments, an RC car will be fine. Amazing service! Pizza delivery is super convenient. That smells great. Just try not to make it a habit. When the delivery guy already knows your address and recognizes you, that's a bad sign. It's time to stop. Otherwise, you'll run out of money. But look, you are already almost out of fries, and you have to get delivery again. You need to open your mom's cookbook and learn to cook yourself. Save money and everyone's time. And this is the perfectionist. She won't rest until her room is perfectly tidy. I feel like something's wrong. Yikes! Who folded their pajamas like that? Poor thing! And dust on the shelf causes panic. Hurry up and get that dust off. And this is her 5th time cleaning today. All she cares about is mopping the floor. But she seems to enjoy the process. Why don't you just relax? Oh no! The pillows are out of shape! What? Dust again? Does this ever end? For some people, exercise is the best thing to do in their spare time. They are desperate for hula hoops or exercising with weights. Healthy body, healthy mind. Sports equipment is the only decor in the house. And there's always a tape measure nearby to measure her gains. But it's too early to rest. It's all on schedule. Routines are so important. A stuffy nose and a sore throat are the worst. But not for someone who's read 100 books about the treatment of colds. Antiseptic for the hands, medicine that the doctor has prescribed, and lemon juice for the immune system. Oh, that's awesome! A nasal spray! And we definitely need a mask and gloves. A cup of hot tea and a little nap. What a responsible approach! Movies will keep you from boredom. No one's bothering you. You don't need to go anywhere. Awesome! Just stock up on delicious food, and you can start a week of endless movies. In the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. A long weekend is the perfect time to rewatch the best movies of the world. Comedies, dramas, horror, whatever. Just don't confuse the scene from the movie with real life. Oh, I'm seeing things! Did you like our sketches about self-isolation? And how are you spending your time staying at home alone? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss new videos from Troom Select.